This is a Case 1845C. The difference with the 1845 as opposed to the 1840 is one of the things is the 1845 is the parallel linkage, which is achieved by this bar here. It's pretty handy. So coming around the back, we got our diesel cap is the obvious one here. Open up the back, do your pre-checks, it's pretty easy. There's a handle right here, just lift it, comes out. There's a little cover here, just open this. So in here we have our dipstick. There's our dipstick. This one actually has a e-tart as well for the winter, because this is Kenda. If your engine oil is low, here's your filler cap right here. Your radiator here, filler cap at the top, but you have a expansion tank down here. Your hydraulic tank is over here, built into the side, same as the diesel tank this side. There's your level, and there's your filler cap. So you put this back down. You can just swing the door shut. And yeah, there's nothing too pretty inside the cab though. You got your quick hitch. You got your revs down there, your control levers, and down in there you got your pedal for your third service. Up there you got your instruments. Yeah, pretty simple.